What the f is going on here?
And Colton out here with a new truck. This is crazy. So he traded the red one for the white one. Still any level lift. It's like bluish purple with the American Forces. RJ out here just fucking them up. Just killing the game out here.
What's up, boy?
Just killing the game. We're gonna do a full video on this later on, but I just wanted to show y'all show RJ and show Colton some love in the video.
Let's go!
Dude, this truck's crazy. I love this truck. With the Forces. With the chicken strips. The chicken strips! My man's out here getting the shots.
Gotta get them angles.
The shots. Georgia big trucks out here. The white one on Forces though, that color is beautiful. I do like the, why does that one seem, oh, it's got bigger tires on it, that's why. Seems so much bigger than the red one. Forces though, that color, I love that color. The white and blue, it's freaking beautiful, it really is. Well, tell me what you need then, we'll put the backpack on, the Forces. I don't know if these are a real, I don't think they're a real three-piece now. It looks like it's just milled into it, which is still really cool though. I might be wrong. That blue color though is freaking amazing. Any level, your new favorite truck. And the red one. We've seen the red one before. Freaking beautiful. Love this truck. The white one is so beautiful.
White one's better than the red one.
Yeah, I feel that. I feel that.
But the red is nice though.
The red is super nice. If you took the wheels off the white one and put them on the red one, woo, I'm going red all day long. I'm going red all day long.
Yeah.
I like the red more, to be honest. Only reason I'm saying white is because of the wheels. That's it.
Yeah.
But I'm a red. Red's my favorite color, so I'd be going red if it wasn't for that though.
That'd be a bold move right now.
I freaking love it. Something that we had talked about doing with the any level lift that we built up here, obviously was color matching all the doors, handles, the mirrors, the emblems, everything like that. And also we had talked about doing the color match headlights too. So Stefan, if you're watching this, so he's got the mirrors, all the emblems, and the door handles done. But he also did the headlights too, which is so freaking beautiful. The emblems up front, headlights. Y'all really need to, I don't know, red or white, what you thinking? What you thinking? I mean, the 28-inch American Forces ain't no joke though, so I did find out. I may or may not be allowed to say this. The red one's getting new wheels and tires though, so stay tuned. You wanna hold it? Wait a second. Wait a second.
10 grand worth of fucking film.
Yeah, you know.
Settle down.
I mean, this will get tiring.
Be nice. You want to hold it?
Until you, when you definitely get tiring.
Ooh. Boys out here getting them shots. Shot. Everybody. Leaving the shop today. It's Saturday, about 12 o'clock. I'm driving to Florida today. I'm going about once a month right now to see my people. Shout out State Farm. Gross. Some of y'all might have seen this, some of y'all might not have. I deactivated my Instagram about a week ago, Tuesday of this past week. Today's Friday. So by the time y'all see this, it'll be about a week. But I needed a break, you know. I've been doing so much, posting so much on all the platforms. I'm going regular gas today. Got a 3.5 hour trip. So I had deactivated the page, just wanted to take a break. So just in case any of y'all saw that, I didn't block anybody. But for those of you that do see this, I'm taking a break. I deactivated it. Maybe I'll be back in a couple of days or something. Who knows? I didn't think so. Look, my man came all the way from Alabama to get some 30s put on the Yukon. We're on our popping clutches vibe today. I'm not gonna put him on the spot too much, but look, I just want to show off the chrome 30s real quick for y'all before we leave out today. Y'all go show some love to my guy from Alabama. I appreciate you coming through. RJ fixed my settings on my camera the other day. My settings, and it looks so much better now. So RJ, thank you if you watch the videos. Rod came through today. We had to check something out on the wheel lights. Look, shout out JW Motorsports, JW Montoya. Y'all go show some love to him on the YouTube channel. Love JW. Look at the pink Mustang down there. The fuzzy steering wheel cover, that's cool. Rod came through from Jacksonville. Gotta show love to my dude. He put in an order on the website. Y'all go show some love to the like 'em wide hats on the YouTube channel. I got them in stock, ready to ship, so y'all go show some love. I don't have my Bread Gang shirt on today, but the Bread Gang shirts are coming out soon. And by the time this video drops, I think I'll have my breast cancer shirt. So the Breast Gang shirts will be available for order on the website. I'm donating some proceeds of every shirt to a breast cancer fund because we're showing love, and it's something I hold near and dear to my heart. There's some people close to me that have gone through cancer, and you know we'll be doing another month later on in the year as well for cancer. So I like to show love to the causes and help support, and I know it's a way for you guys to support the channel and show love as well. So Rod came through. We're showing love to Rod today. Love the truck. One of my favorites that we've done this year. He came through. He's back in town hanging out for a couple of days, so he'll be on the channel over the next couple of days. Super cool guy. He's one of the nicest guys I've met in a long time, and he's just part of the family now. Ultimately, he's just part of the family. But Rod's got the 2022 2500 High Country with the all chrome FTS kit. So it's got the chrome front on it, right? Got the chrome dual reservoir shocks, up control arms, chrome front compression struts, torsion drops, and the chrome traction bars with the 2616 KG1s, quad row JW Motorsports wheel lights, and the Furies. One of the nicest trucks that we built this year. Super blessed to have somebody like him around. Got great energy, you know, love his whole vibe. So Rod, I appreciate you coming through the channel, coming through the shop and showing some love to us. You know, you're part of the family till the end. Pink Mustang. I didn't want to film him because that would have been awkward. Hot seat! You're in the hot seat, Jimmy.
Hey,
talk your shit. Come on, talk your shit.
Real rock lights.
Look, this man's on Google.
No, I've got
talking to me about, oh, my rock light's gonna be the brightest. Jimmy, you're on Google.
You're blind. No, I've got one of these at my house.
This ain't even a real website, Jimmy.
I've got this at my house. Pluglight.com.
Pluglight.com.
BuzzLightyear.com.
No, they go in the back of your boat. Look, it lights up the whole back of the boat.
This is for the boat.
No.
I thought you were talking about this was for your truck.
It is going to be for my truck.
It's because you're blind, Jimmy.
So you're planning on mudbogging your truck in the water at the lake?
No, it doesn't matter if it's in the water.
I don't think your truck can pull out of the boat ramp.
It's
buddy.
not.
Jimmy, they're not going to be bright, dude.
Okay.
Man, his truck going to get stuck in the boat ramp.
It doesn't matter if they're in the water or out of the water. I'm telling you.
Jimmy said he's going to have the brightest lights at everybody.
Yeah.
They're about $200 a piece, though.
Hey, Jimmy, can I tell you something?
I don't give a fuck if you don't believe me.
Why are you being so aggressive to my boy over there?
Bug lights.
You cheese up, Jimmy?
Boat plug.
Wait. Boat plug or wait? What does that say?
Boat plug lights.
What does that say?
Boat plug lights.
Boat plugs. All right.
Look, here's a three-way one.
So
$215.
Three-way boat plug.
Butt plug or butt plug?
Boat.
Jimmy, please, for the love of God, tell me what you were looking online to find boat plugs.
I have a boat.
This is something that you find in a suggestion
No,
on
I
the
have
side
a-
of the screen.
I have a boat, and I have one for my boat, and it's bright as fuck. I promise you what.
We gonna see.
Jimmy fired up today.
We gonna see.
They're round.
We gonna see.
All right.
We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see.
I'm gonna get pulled over, but it'll be all right.
We might see Bigfoot or something. You never know. So something that's different, something that I'm excited to put on the channel, just as much as the truck stuff is, you know, my Southern Ties and Bread Gang. You know, I really have a lot of fun coming up with shirt ideas and new shirts. This is one that we're taking pictures for today. Let's get this bread shirt. Just a basic Southern Ties logo. I'm gonna change the back of it just a little bit, just add something, maybe move it down the back a little bit, because I don't like how tall up on the back it is, but I know a lot of you guys probably like saying I like shirts that just say stuff, you know what I mean? So something basic, just in case you guys like the saying enough. And then we're doing some photos of the Breast Gang shirt for October, and all of these shirts, when you guys see this video, will be available in the description below. The Like 'em wide hat, limited time. This will be on the website for another week or two. And then I'm switching to a different design. A lot of stuff that I'm working on right now. I got a couple different shirt designs, a couple different hat designs I'm working on. That'll be coming to you guys soon. But you know, this is like a R&D, you know, marketing photo shoot kind of. I have a lot of fun on the weekends doing this kind of stuff, and you know, we're gonna do some fishing while we're out here too. See if we can't get some fish in the content as well. That'd be really cool. So still trying to work on my brand identity as far as where I want the brand to go, what the name of the brand, you know, the branding is, and that's what's fun, is being able to document this with you guys and kind of show the process of building a brand and, you know, kind of exploring the clothing business, you know what I mean? And I'm having a lot of fun with it. You guys have been supporting a lot. I sold like 10 of these hats. The hats sold out, the 8 or 9 that I had, like within a week. So you guys are really showing love, and I appreciate you guys. So let's go do some fishing. We've got about, I would say, we've probably got about an hour to fish at this spot. Until we get, so this is the spot, if you guys remember in this video like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I came and fished for like 2 or 3 hours, and in the last 15 minutes I realized that this is probably somebody's house. And the more that you sit here and look at it and think about it, it's definitely somebody's house. So we've got about 45 minutes to an hour, I would say worst case scenario, until we get kicked out. So we gotta just make the best of it. I got Southern Ties shirt on. Look at me zooming in with one hand. I got my rod that I'm scraping on the ground. And then Thomas has a shirt on under the hoodie.
Oh yeah.
Southern Ties. We're out here repping the brand out here. Like I said, we probably got about 45 minutes, so let's go to work. I came and fished out here 2 or 3 weeks ago and never posted, or I didn't film while I was out here. I just took a couple pictures. And so this is it's a baseball park, right? But right next to it is this big, huge, nice, juicy pond. The problem is it's so connected to the park that it seems like you can just walk over here. And actually the first time I came, there were people over here taking wedding pictures. But you walk out here and the shed that's over here, it's not even I thought it was a gazebo. It's more of like a rundown little shed. And then the bridge that's over here is all run down and you can't walk across it. There's like a half sunken boat. There's some chairs that have been rusted into the ground. The grass is half cut. And then you look up in the distance and there's a really nice house up there. So am I incriminating myself by potentially trespassing and fishing today? Yes, but it's for the content.
Don't get shot at.
There's a truck up there this time. Can we send it? I mean, we're already over here.
Yeah.
Send it, all right.
Dude, there's this big OBS, that body style truck.
Ooh. Yeah, zooming in on the shirt.
What if he's a fan of the channel?
We're just fucking leaning.
This is fucking terrifying. If I catch a fish, I'll next
Ooh, get the fuck off this bridge.
Oh, somebody's up there.
Are they?
Yeah, I see somebody up there. I don't know if we're allowed to be up there or not. I guess this is the
He's just fucking staring at us.
moment of truth.
It says
The board just collapsed.
Look at it up.
You ever watch people on YouTube getting kicked out of places and stuff like that? And you always like, well, you got to risk it to be able to get kicked out, right? This is one of those moments where we're halfway into fishing, and I guess you can see it on the camera. I've never felt so uneasy about a situation.
He's just up there, just eyeing
up
us
there,
hard.
just
He's sipping his coffee.
Yeah,
too.
sipping his coffee.
who knows how long he was looking at it for.
He could have been watching the whole time, right? But if you see him and just dash, it's a problem. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you see him and just take off running, then you know you're not supposed to be there. But if you just casually just fish your way back to the other side and leave, then it's like,
No harm done, right?
Yeah, no harm done. We just cast the line a little bit. So, finishing up the shoot, all the Bass Pro hats, a couple of shirts. Thomas has got the red one on today. Like it. A couple of extras down here. A lot of this stuff's gonna be on the website. Probably by the time this video drops. So if you guys are, I'm gonna get a little better lighting. If you guys are interested in any of the Bass Pro Shop hats, they've got some limited edition colors available right now. So, red gang shirt, breast gang. Love it.